Hello there, let's talk about how to fix YouTube notification not working on iPhone. As you can see, I have my YouTube here, and if the notification is not working, you just need to load the YouTube app and come to the configuration, right? So here, sometimes it changes to the top, sometimes here on the bottom. So basically, I'm here on the main screen. I click here on my picture, and I see this gear icon. I can tap here and look for notifications. Okay, so here notifications, and then I have all of the notification for the YouTube. Okay, so I can have subscriptions, I can have recommended videos, recommended ways to create activity on the channel, and things like that. So basically, you can control everything from here related to the notification on YouTube. So pretty simple. You can also check something here on the iPhone settings. When you come here to the settings, just make sure you find YouTube. Here we go. And then you enable the notifications just right here. When you come here to notifications, you allow notifications, and then you can select for the lock screen or notification center, banners, sound, and badges. So basically everything that you want to be notified about. Okay, so pretty simple. So that's the way you can enable notification on YouTube or fix notification that's not working on YouTube. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.